animals and nature, the butterfly who shared colors. Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush and blooming meadow, lived a peculiar butterfly named Zoey. Unlike her fellow winged friends, Zoey had an extraordinary gift. She could change colors to match whatever flower she landed on. On this particular day, Zoey fluttered over to a radiant red poppy, and with a soft sigh, transformed herself into the very same vibrant shade of crimson as her new home. The bees buzzed in approval, for they knew that Zoey's unique ability was not only beautiful, but also a marvelous source of inspiration. As days turned into weeks, Zoey continued to share her gift with her fellow creatures. She flitted from one flower to another, blending effortlessly into their hues and dazzling the meadow inhabitants with her transformative magic. It seemed that every creature in the meadow was touched by her generous act. One day, as Zoey rested upon a tall sunflower, she overheard two birds discussing her gift. "She is such a remarkable creature," said one bird. "But I wonder, if she can change colors to match the flowers, what does she look like when she rests?" As the birds gazed up at Zoey, they were astonished by her radiant wings, which shimmered in a breathtaking array of colors that danced and flowed like a rainbow. Intrigued, the birds asked Zoey about her origins. Zoey shared her story with all who gathered, telling them how she had been born from a magical rainbow and tasked with spreading joy and wonder throughout the meadow. The animals listened in awe as Zoey continued, explaining that sharing her colors was not just a whimsical trick, but a means to help others. With newfound purpose, the animals joined forces with Zoey, using their unique talents to make the meadow an even more magical place. From then on, the meadow was filled with laughter, friendship, and a sense of unity unlike ever before. The days turned into weeks, and the weeks into months. The meadow continued to flourish under Zoey's guidance, with each new season bringing fresh flowers for her to share her colors with. It seemed that Zoey's magic had spread throughout the entire meadow, touching every creature and filling their hearts with joy. As autumn approached, the creatures of the meadow decided to hold a grand celebration in honor of Zoey's gift and the unity they had formed. The meadow was decked out in vibrant colors, with each creature contributing their unique talents to make it an unforgettable event. As the celebration reached its climax, Zoey stood before her fellow creatures, her wings shimmering like a rainbow. With tears in their eyes and hearts full of gratitude, the animals thanked Zoey for all she had done for them. In return, Zoey simply smiled, knowing that she had fulfilled her purpose. As winter set in, the animals huddled together for warmth, their spirits buoyed by the memories of the celebration and the unity they had formed. And there, beneath the twinkling stars, they made promises to one another, promises to continue sharing joy, wonder, and the magic of Zoey's gift throughout the meadow. The animals had learned that even the smallest act of kindness could have a profound impact on those around them. And through Zoey's gift and their unity, they had transformed the meadow into a magical realm filled with love, laughter, and friendship. As for Zoey, she continued to spread her colors throughout the meadow, leaving a trail of beauty in her wake.